Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I've got me in this box a brand new Airpod Max that I just got in. I've already have used Airpod Max. I actually shared one with my sister, totally love it. So I decided that it's time that I got one myself. Okay, so with this unboxing though, what I want to do is I actually want to show you guys what the blue one looks like. Not only that, but also I want to do a little sound test so that you can see or hear what the Beats sounds like. This is the Studio 3, and at the same time I also have the Sony XM5 over-the-ear headset. This is the brand new one from Sony. This is pretty much the flagship one from Sony. So I'm gonna let you guys hear what the Airpod Max along with all those other ones sounds like when it comes to well, outdoor, ambient noise, that kind of stuff, if it blocks out all those noise. So if you're out here, I'm going to be quiet real quick so you can hear. There's a water fountain to my right hand side right here. And then also the cicada is going crazy because it is 100 degrees out here. So, you know, the hotter it is, the more noise they make. So you can probably hear that in the background. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do today. Let's do a quick unboxing of this one and then compare that to all of my other devices. Yes, you will be able to hear what noise cancellation is like on this one, okay? Let's go ahead and do it. It is super hot out here, so let's get this one done quick. So I decided to get me the blue one because, well, I got the white one, and my sister had the white one. I didn't want to get the same color as her, so the next one, the next best one up, in my opinion, is the blue one. Yeah, so instead of the black one, I don't know. I mean, look at me. I'm wearing bright yellow shirts. So to me, I like to get something that's a little bit louder. So pretty much in the box, you've already heard about this. This is the Airpod Max case. By the way, they do have little wrappers for the case itself, which is weird to me that they do that. But hey, you know what? More power. Yeah, it's really weird that there's these little wraps for the case. So this blue right here looks like a deep blue. Not sure you can see that or not, but yeah, it's a deep blue, while the outside, look at that, the comparison. It does match with the band a little bit more, but even the band is a little bit lighter than the case itself. It's got some protective cover for it. Even the cup itself has a little white/blue mesh to it. But this blue actually looks really good in real life. It's not a, I wouldn't say it's a baby blue, because baby blue has a little bit more brighter white to it. This one is a darker blue on here. This is the famous collapsible right here. By the way, I've used this mechanism on the white one for a while, and I found that there is nothing wrong with this thing at all. At first I thought it was gonna slip quite a bit, you know, but once you get it in place, it's pretty much stays where it is. Obviously you've already heard about the crown. This one right here will adjust to the volume and things like that. You press it once and it will noise cancel. Very simple. If you've used the Apple Watch, you know, you're very familiar with these right here. I'm glad they didn't go with the touch, you know, where a lot of people do the touch on the side. I'm glad they didn't go with that because honestly guys, after using the Sony and the Bose 700, I found that touch does not work very well on these headphones. In terms of my head is pretty big compared to other people's head. Especially when I'm wearing hats and things like that, I realize that I'm on the bigger end of the spectrum. And so with these headphones right here, they actually fit very well on me. So I have it pulled out max right now. This entire thing is on max, pulled out. And when I put it on, it fit perfectly. This right here, the entire thing covers my ear. Yeah, so the entire thing covers my ear very well. And if you look at my ears, I actually have, I wouldn't say it's humongous earlobes, but it's pretty big. So yeah, this thing do fit it very well. And on top of that, the one thing that I noticed about AirPod Max is, let me see if I can show you, is the inside right here has a lot of room, And by the way, this is removable, so you can actually swap it out to another color if you want to, but it's also good for like cleaning and things like that. So yeah, removable. All it does is just attach like a magnet. That's it. Okay, so this is the part that you guys are probably wanting to know here. I'm going to use a little contraption to let you hear a 3D surround sound, and then we're going to use these headphones and let you listen to exactly how they sound, okay? All right guys, so I got these headphones on. What it does is it records all around me. You hear that? So it's all around me, okay? So what it does is that it simulates pretty much whatever that goes on my head. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So first off, I'm gonna use the Sony XM5. Right off the bat, we're gonna do some sound tests on this one. Now, I'm gonna be quiet real quickly so you guys can hear the surrounding with the water fountain going on in the background, along with a bunch of cicada going nuts right now because it's so hot out here. Okay, so let's do the sound test. So this is transparent mode right here for the Sony. This is noise cancellation right now. Right? Okay, so let me play some music with this one right here. There you go, that's the Sony. Now let's jump over to the Beats. Okay, Beats Studio 3, here we go. Okay, so that's Beats Studio 3 right here. Now, next one, we're gonna try the AirPod Max. With the AirPod Max, as soon as I put this right next to my phone, it pops up right away. Since this is a brand new AirPod Max, all I have to do is just hit connect, and boom, it should start. There we go. Shows me that it has about 82% left. As soon as I put that thing on, it recognized right away that it's on my head. So there's sensors that's tracking if it's on my head or not. So first, let's go ahead and test a little bit with transparency. Transparency pretty much uses a mic on here to get more sound into your ears, just like if you were to not have anything on your head. Okay. Now this is noise cancellation. You can hear right there, right? Whenever I put on the headset, it does that ding sound. Okay, sound test on the Airpod Max. Oh wait, spatial audio. So there you go, guys. That's actually with spatial audio. So if you have never tried spatial audio before, Airpod Max is gonna blow it out of the park. It's gonna blow your brain out of the park. Okay, yeah. Because with spatial audio, depending on how your head movements are, it's gonna change the way the sound, the directional sound. So it feels like there's a live band playing in front of you when you turn your head. It actually tracks that, you know, makes the experience amazing. That's it right there, guys. That's the sample noise cancellation. The reason why I'm standing out here at 100 degrees is because I really want you guys to understand that, to hear the noise cancellation outside here with those noise cancellation headphones, because there's a lot of ambient noise all over the place. The cicada is going crazy. The fountains is on the right-hand side right there going nuts. Things like that. I want you to understand that with noise cancellation, that's the value that you're getting with these noise cancellation headphones. All right. Hope this helps someone. If so, let me know. I want to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.